To create a complex black box, we start by opening a blank tab in the BBEditor. Then, we must select the complex box icon in the toolbar to enable working with complex boxes. Usually, black boxes receive data from other boxes. There is no exception with complex boxes. They can also receive data. To allow the complex box to receive data from other boxes, we must specify the inputs of the box. This is done by adding multiple input boxes and specifying their name. To add an input box, just click the Add External Input button in the toolbar. Then, specify the name of the input and a red colored box will appear, meaning that an input data will come from there when the box is deployed. The same happens with the outputs. They will send data to other black boxes. To create the outputs, we just have to click the Add Output Complex Box button in the toolbar and specify the output name. To begin the example for this chapter, we'll receive a VTK image data as an input and return a WX window with the result of the complex box pipeline. We create the input by clicking the Add External Input button and specifying its name. Then, we create the output by clicking the Add Output Complex Box button and specifying its name. Then, we build the internals of the complex box. For this, we'll show in a layout split two viewers in V, one with the original image and the other with the filtered image. Furthermore, we need to add the Gaussian filter called Image Gaussian Smooth. One special note here: complex box inputs can only have one connection inside the complex box. If we need to use the input in several boxes, we have to use some special boxes that allow to replicate the image and send it to all other boxes. In the case of texts and general data types, the magic box black box is used. In the case of VTK images, the VTK image data pointer relay is used. And for ITK images, the any ITK image pointer relay is used. For this example, we'll be working with a VTK image, so we'll use the VTK image data pointer relay to send the input image to the filter and the viewer. Next, we need to make the connections. We connect the input box output to the input called in the VTK image data pointer relay box. Then, we connect the image data output from the pointer relay to the image data input of the first viewer and also the one in the filter. After that, we connect the output image from the filter to the second viewer. Then, we connect both viewers' window outputs to the layout split box window inputs. Finally, we connect the window output from the layout split to the outputs box input. We have almost finished with the complex box. We just need to specify some parameters for the boxes and we'll be done. First, for both viewers, we specify the n-type view parameter as -1 to show only the Z view for the image. Then, for the filter, we specify the 3 standard deviation level parameters to 5. And that's it. We just have to save the box specifying the name of the complex box, in this case Gaussian Original Comparison, and the package from where it will be available. We'll talk about this in the next video. For now, just specify the package as my project.